everyone, I'm Jennifer with Gardening with Dogs, and it is chilly here in Northern California. It's 58 degrees out. This is crazy. It was like 90 a couple days ago and hot. I was dying, and now I have a sweatshirt on and a long sleeve shirt. I have sweatpants on. It's chilly, but that doesn't stop us from doing some work in the garden. So I just have a few things I need to get done today, so I thought I'd take you along with me. Let's get started. First thing I want to show you is the zinnia that we just planted. Yes, Stashi. And look at the leaves. And the bottom leaves are completely gone. They got rid of everything. Yeah, Stashi. Oh, this dog. Everywhere I am. So you can see little sprinkles on the ground, and I put this out last night. I didn't think it was supposed to rain anymore, and it did, but I don't think it's a lot. Because oddly enough, you're not going to believe it, but it doesn't look any worse than it did yesterday. And so what I used was Sluggo Plus. They use this for organic gardening. It kills earwigs, cutworms, sow bugs, pill bugs, slugs, and snails. I only have issues with those roly-polies and the earwigs. Earwigs are my biggest problem. I don't think the roly-polies, the potato bugs, I don't think those are really horrible for your garden because they eat debris. So if your plant has leaves on the ground, they eat those. But the earwigs, they eat everything. So you're supposed to sprinkle 1 teaspoon of this around your plant, around 1 square foot. And so I just sprinkled and went around my whole garden where I saw it. And looking today, it doesn't look too bad. And we're not supposed to get any more rain. So I'm going to see how this is and reapply. But you're not supposed to use this more than 3 times in a month. Now, one thing I want to tell you is that it says it's safe for pets. It is not. It can be toxic. It can cause, it can cause tremors. It can cause vomiting, diarrhea, all those things. So I will use it in the garden because it's fenced in, and these dogs have never been in this garden. If I were to have open space where my dogs can run through, I would not use this. I would just suck it up and not use anything. I don't like using anything toxic in my gardens. They claim this is organic. If it causes issues with your dogs, I don't know how safe it is because I wouldn't trust it. So FYI, do not use this if you have dogs that can actually get to your garden. I don't have to worry about it in here. And hopefully I will only have to use this a couple times and then be done with it. But my basil is getting eaten up, so I want to take you over and we're going to sprinkle a little bit around the basil. Okay, here's my basil. You can see, gosh, so I'm just going to do a little bit. Boys, see, you gotta do this stuff when they're not around. Come on, boys, let's go. Let's go get a treat. Da, 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 da. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, hang on, I'm gonna get them in the house. Okay, I got them in the house. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of a sprinkle. Just a little bit. I don't think you need a lot. So hopefully that'll help. So let's remember what this looks like. I'm gonna snap a picture and then we'll go back and see, because last year I had this in a container basil and it got destroyed. It doesn't look like they're touching the marigolds, which they did last year. So, and the tomato plant looks okay. I'm only using it around plants that I see eaten. So, yes. So guys, I'm going to say it again. Don't use this out in public, out if you don't have a fenced in garden, because I just don't trust it. So anyway, that is it on that. All right, I got this tool off Amazon. It's supposed to get weeds out. Now I am not going to be able to do my whole entire ground. I'm talking about in between the pavers. I'm not going to be able to do it all because that's too much for one person. We have the worst problem with weeds. I think it's because my husband weed whacks them and then they just stay there and then they grow more and then the seeds blow everywhere and then we get more. It's just, and I will not use Roundup. As I already discussed, I don't want anything toxic in the yard. So I'm gonna try this. At least get some of the big ones. So let's see if this tool works and if it's worth it. The reviews were pretty good on it, so let's see. It's from Amazon, so let's go give it a try. This is the first time I'm using this tool and I don't see it working. This is going to take a while. You're supposed to get in between the cracks and try to pull the weed out. And I'm having a hard time getting between the cracks here. So let's speed this up. Okay, so the tool, it didn't work for me. My pavers are too close together. If you have a little bit of a gap between your pavers, I think it would work. But mine, they're just so close that I can't get underneath. I can do is scrape the top, and all I'm doing is basically weed whacking it. So yeah, it's not gonna work for me. Like I said, I mean, it was like under $10 on Amazon. It's my Amazon shop if you want to see. But the reviews were pretty good on it, so it works for people. It just doesn't work for me. The gap between my paver stones are like very thin. My husband put them together super close, probably hoping that we don't get weeds in between it, but we still do. So, so I heard him chewing on something. So yeah, it's not for me. So I'm gonna have to pull them out by hand because I hate weeds. It looks ugly. I mean, it looks terrible. I mean, maybe I should get some seeds and just push them in there of flowers and, you know, like creeping thyme or phyllox or something like that, and put that in there. So maybe that would be better than having weeds. Maybe it would suppress them. I have no idea. But now the dogs are trying to eat the weeds I pulled. I got rid of them, but I got rid of the pile of them, but there's little remnants and they're trying to eat it. All right, I think Stashi's up to no good as usual. Let me go get that from him. Look at all the rose petals. It's like romance happened in my yard. It wasn't for me. That's sad. It's everywhere. Oh, I'm gonna have to pick those up too. I mean, normally I don't mind, but because of the rain, it brought wind, and so now it's like the rose petals are everywhere. So, stinky. They're so pretty. It is pretty though, isn't it? There's the romantic bird bath that needs to be cleaned in here. And then there's Stashi looking for trouble as usual. Oh, this dog, he is a troublemaker. He's the baby of the group. He is 1 year old and he is a troublemaker. But he's so sweet, but a troublemaker. And then we got Sunny. Right, Sunny, say hello. Sunny is 1.5 years old. He's very good, but he's a runner. He gets like zoomies like there's no tomorrow. And then over here is Sweet Samuel. He's our oldest. He is 4. And he's a good boy. He just hangs out over here and lets the boys just do their thing. So random thoughts. I think I want to put these petunias in that pot. I just stuck it there. And you know, there's like dirt in there. So I kind of just stuck it there for now for a little bit of color. But I think I want to pot those in there. And this one that we planted, I think this pot's too big for it. I think I want to put it in a little bit of a thinner pot. So I might I'm gonna get this is Stasha keeps eating it. It's a hibiscus, the non-toxic version. And I think I want to take this out and put this in here. I think it should be okay. It's a little bit, it's not as wide. And then I could put something, fill this up with more. These are random thoughts that I have. And then my coneflower is coming back. I think these are just classic Ignatia with the purple. They could be powwow, but I'm not sure. But I think they're the classic. So I'm so happy about that. And of course, you know, something ate it. But I can't put anything in there because of the dogs. So we'll just have to watch it. And then this is my lilac that already bloomed, and it looks like it's getting more flowers on it, or more leaves on it. Though I'm thinking of putting that somewhere because it's been living in this pot forever and it hasn't grown. It's been the same. So anyway, these two are just full of it. This is all day, is all these two do. We are all talking about weeds today. The best weed control that you can do is pulling out yourself. And the best time to do it is when the ground is wet. And since we just got rain, this is the perfect time. I really, really do try hard to maintain it. Like I go through my garden every day and I try to pull, if I see little weeds, I try to pull them. I don't see, you guys probably see some on here that I'm missing. I don't see any more over here. But I really do try to pull them as soon as I see them because I don't want to be out here forever pulling weeds. It's wet though. Wet and icky. But it's okay. At least I have no bees out here. I think there's usually, yeah, see all those hidden back here? I don't know what these are. It's like some kind of grass. I get these every year. I don't know what they are. But they get big. Try to pull from the roots. Oh, there's quite a few. But now's the time to do it. So if you have wet weather and it's not cold, go out and pull some weeds. Oh. I think I got them all. Well guys, I am signing off. You know, if I pulled weeds as soon as I seen them, I wonder if I would have them in the if they'd still be in the pavers. Yeah, probably. I care more about the garden than the ground, you know, the pavers. I should try. Maybe it wouldn't be such a disaster. But anyway, guys, I'm signing off. I hope you get some sunshine, some nice weather, and some warm weather, and you have the best day. Talk to you soon. Bye.